Welcome back to Jesse's Performance. We hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. We actually spent the weekend, since we didn't do a video, we went ahead and remodeled our office here at the shop. So we'll get some footage of that once we're completely done with all the finishing touches. In the meantime, we are going to share with you Rick's 73 split bumper Camaro. You probably remember a few weeks ago, we took it to the Pistons and Paint car show. And before we could do so, we had to get the drag look off of this car. It had welds on it when we initially built it. It was kind of more of a drag car when we first started working on it, but we made it a pro touring car. And everybody knows a good set of wheels is what makes a pro touring car. So in order to get these 10.5-inch wheels, we did 10.5 on all four, we had to do they're 18 by 10.5. We had to go ahead and mini tub the back. So we had JJ cut everything out and get the mini tubs installed just in time to get it to the car show. Here we go.
Here we have Rick's 73 Z28 split bumper car. Really pretty nice car. He talked about it for a long time. I never seen it. We mentioned it in a few videos that I'd never seen the car, and then one day he showed up with it. I think it was like February, March of this year, and talked about how he wanted it to be the Camaro version of my Trans Am. And I looked at it and had torque, had 18-inch torque thrust on it, and it had, and it had some nice suspension parts on it, but not to the caliber that we would be at. I had a 408 and he's trying to do a Pro Charger, and in true Rick fashion, none of it worked together. It was a really good pile of parts that didn't go together. Like
a swap meet.
Yes, Rick swap meet. That's what we should, you know what I'm saying?
Swap meet Rick.
Swap meet Rick. There we go. Yeah, I can't call him C10 Rick anymore because I bought all his C10s.
We'll give one back.
Yeah.
We'll give him old blue.
Yeah, he can have old blue back. That's the deal. But anyways, so we tore it all apart, got us a clean slate. First stop, Gary Oaks Performance, 427. We needed a good power plant to make some stink. We got Stacy's the Turbo 400 we built for Stacy's race car by Mr. Wendell. It's in this bad boy. It's a badass Turbo 400. Got a 9-inch out back, 35 spline axle posi unit. Got aftermarket front subframe with Rytec coilover. It's all Mustang 2 based. TCI torque arm rear suspension with wheel woods out back and Rytec coilovers. One thing that we did take from my car just to make this car feel more special is we took the hot side of my turbo kit off my car, because I'm upgrading anyways as usual, and we put on this Camaro because I knew that those turbos would pack the punch and spool like we wanted to on this Camaro. So we got the Camaro done. We pumped and pumped and pumped to get it done for Bowling Green LS Fest East this year. They went with Mickey Thompson's and welds on it. And I did not like this car on the drag pack at all. I gave Rick a bunch of about it. It just did not look right. After enough convincing, we decided that we were going to do the full Pro Tour conversion. Pro Tour, very loosely used term.
Kind of like a race car.
Yeah, like race car, right? If you put, welds on it, it's a race car. Yeah. Well, we put, 18 by 10.5s, I think they are, or 11s, whatever they are.
I think they're 10.5s.
Yeah, with 305s all the way around on this car, and man, did I fall in love with this car again. I never liked this car up until the day I put these wheels on it, and then it just made my heart melt.
Wheels make or break a build.
Yeah, it's got a lot of, obviously Jesse Performance custom fabrication underneath the hood, right? It looks like one of our cars. Tubular radiator support, AN lines, nice AN lines everywhere, custom fab intercooler, that kind of Cerakote, lots of Cerakote, all that good stuff. It made 980 horsepower at like 17 pounds of boost. We have some future plans for this car. I just got to get Rick to loosen up his wallet a little bit. I think we're going to finish out the interior. I think we're going to do a 480 swap, a replica Tiger cage. It's going to be Jesse's Performance take on a Tiger cage because they don't make the Tiger cages anymore. And maybe we'll paint it. It needs a paint job. It's got like a 20-year-old paint job on it, which is in really good condition for being that old, but Texas sun takes a toll on thin clear coat.
Yeah, maybe not silver.
Well, if I didn't already commit to another car that's going to go gunmetal, house of color gunmetal, I would offer that, but maybe we'll do a blue or something cool. White. Something
cool.
White would
green. Dark green.
Dark green. Well, we got a dark green.
I guess we got Chad's.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll figure out a good color for it.
Purple.
Not silver, not purple. We're doing that Raptor purple.
I know, the Raptor build will be purple, so. No, I'll come up with the color. Maybe I'll just surprise him with the paint job and just send him a bill.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and share our videos. And as always, thanks for watching.